When using a number of alarms in a property, we do recommend the use of a switch. This switch has 4 functions: test, locate, silence, memory. Locate is a feature that when you get all the alarms sounding, you can find out which one alarm is that's being triggered. The red light will flash below the locates, you press it and it will silence all of the alarms bar the one that's been triggering. If it is a nuisance, it will then light up silence, and then you can just press the silence and that alarm is then in hush mode for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, the alarm has reset and everything should be back to normal. The other feature that you have is test. So rather than going on each ladders and pressing the test button, you can press the test button on that switch, walk around, make sure all the alarms are all sounding. Once they're all sounding, you can put the switch back in the cradle. The other feature that you have is memory. So if you're away from your home for several hours and you had an activation, the memory feature will light up. Once you press the memory feature, it will highlight the alarm that's been activated with small beeps.